My name is Stephen Weinstein, and I used to be a hospital CEO. What I used to do is turn around financially troubled hospitals. I loved what I did because I looked at every problem as an opportunity. I like to solve problems, I like to make things better, and I like to help change people's lives for the better. The only problem was I used to work 80 to 100 hours a week, every single week. Sometimes 7 days a week. I did that for many, many years because we're probably all very similar. We were taught by our families and our education to work hard, graduate, get a degree, work for a company, and work till we retire at 65 and live the golden years after that. Well, unfortunately, for many people, it doesn't happen that way. And I found out in my early years, unfortunately, my father passed away very early, and I realized very early isn't the golden years. But I discovered another world, a world of multiple sources of income. And I discovered the world of health and wellness. And why health and wellness? Because I realized running a hospital, I didn't want to end up in the hospital. It wasn't a good place to be. It's a dangerous place to be. I realized that I wanted to be healthy prospectively. I wanted to live a longer, healthier life. I never wanted to compromise my lifestyle. I wanted to do everything at 80 and beyond that I could do at 20 and 30 years old. I didn't want to park in a handicapped spot. I didn't want to walk around, be pushed around in a wheelchair. I wanted to do everything under my own terms. So I discovered the world of health and wellness. And I discovered how you can be healthy for a long, long period of time. Live a longer and healthier life. But I also discovered at the same time, I discovered the world of multiple sources of income. How at the same time, you could become wealthy beyond your dreams, working more cleverly rather than harder. So that's what I did. And I went into the world of wellness, and I found out it was being in business for myself, but not by myself. It was different than the corporate world. I had many, many people who were willing to help me, because the way you get ahead is by helping other people. So what I did was, I started to work actually one night and one Saturday morning. And I built a whole business in the health and wellness, multiple sources of income business. And I found that it changed my life in ways I could never imagine. I never worked full-time again. I was able to travel every single month. I'm able to do everything I ever wanted to do, both health-wise and financially. I never have to go into a store and worry about a price tag. I never have to worry about purchasing an object. And I want the same thing for you. So if you would like to live the life of health and wellness like I do, and have multiple sources of income so you never ever have to worry about money again in your whole life, please call me at 847-219-1900 or email me at steve@smwgroupllc.com.